Hare Krishna. Hello friends, how are you all doing? I hope you all are doing well. This is Jitendra, I am teacher of Srimad Bhagavad Gita, and let's get into chapter number first, verse number 28. Actually, in this series, I am going to make all of you understand of each and every verses of Srimad Bhagavad Gita and trying to make all of you understand with a realistic example, means a real situation example. So let's start. Arjuna Uvacha. दुष्टमेव सर्जन कृष्ण युष्व सम उपस्थितः छिदन्ति मम गत्राणि मुखम च परिशुष्यते. Whenever we are seeing our beloved people who are against all of us and they are ready to fight with all of us, at that time दुष्टमेव स्वजनः कृष्ण युष्व सम उपस्थितः, the people who are gathered here, this same situation also happen with us. Whenever our beloved people who are actually ready to fight with all of us, at that time this same situation whatever Arjuna faced, the same situation was happened with all of us. Chidanti mama gatrani mukham cha parishusyate. Chidanti mama gatrani mukham cha parishusyate. मेरा मुख सूख गया है. My dear Krishna, here Lord Krishna, here Arjuna stated to Lord Krishna, my dear Krishna, Vasudeva, Madhusudan, Rishikesh, Madhava, Madhusudana, I am your disciple. My dear Krishna, my beloved friend, my God, seeing my friend and relative present before me. Here Arjuna stated, seeing my friends and relative present before me in such a fighting spirit, I feel my limbs of body quivering and also my mouth is drying up. मेरा बॉडी है कांपने लगा है और मेरा मुख सूख गया है. मुखम च परिशुष्यते, मुखम च परिशुष्यते, परिशुष्यते, मेरा मुख सूख गया है. वासुदेव, मैं अपने beloved people को मेरे सामने युद्ध मैदान में मेरे सामने लड़ते हुए देखता हूँ तो मेरा सूख गया है, मेरा मुख सूख गया है. मैं क्या करूँ? मेरी बॉडी है कांप रही है. Anyone who has a genuine devotion to the Lord, listen it very carefully. Anyone who is a genuine devotion to the Lord has all the good quality which are found in the godly person or in the demigod. The people who is actually render his devotional services unto Lord, the supreme personality Godhead, he has a supreme quality. He has a best quality to understand. He has a godly nature. So when we are thinking about Krishna, all the qualities of Krishna will definitely come to us. Listen it very carefully. What I said, I am saying that whenever we are thinking, whenever we are devoting to Lord Krishna, all such a good quality of Lord Krishna, all such a godly quality of Lord Krishna will definitely come to all of us. However advanced he may be in a material qualification by education and culture and lack of in a godly qualities, however, thus all things are lack of, but the devotion practices of Lord Krishna toward Lord Krishna, that particular person will surely get all such a good qualities of whatever Lord Krishna has. As such a Arjuna, just after seeing his kinsmen, friend and relatives on the battlefield, was at once overwhelmed by the compassion for them who had so decided to fight amongst themselves. Actually, life is all about battlefield. Sometimes our beloved people are our enemy. हमारे खुद के लोग ही हमारे दुश्मन बन जाते हैं. कब? मतलब चाणक्य जी कहते हैं ना, we don't have to reveal our secret to anyone, especially with a friend and also not with enemy. We don't have to reveal our secret. We don't know when will our friend become enemy. We don't know, na? So we don't have to reveal our secret with anyone. As far as his soldiers were concerned, he was sympathetic from the beginning, but he felt compassion even for the soldier and opposite party, and for seeing their imminent death, means he could see the imminent death of the particular people who are associated in the battle of Mahabharata, who are ready to fight with Arjuna. His mouth became dry and he was more or less astonished to see their fighting spirit, and he was totally wondered to see the fighting spirit of the opposite party, who are actually his relatives, blood relatives, and practically whole community, all the blood relative of Arjuna had come to fight with him, and this overwhelmed a kind devotee like Arjuna. Although it is not mentioned here, the still one can easily imagine that not only were Arjuna's bodily limb quivering and also his mouth drying up, but he was also crying out compassion. He was totally crying out because he knew that. And हमारे जीवन में भी ऐसा होता है, हमारे beloved people हमारे सामने खड़े हो जाते हैं तो और हमारी बॉडी कांपने लगती है. बट लॉर्ड कृष्णा हियर स्टेटेड अथवा प्राप्तस्य स्वर्गम चित्वा भोक्ष्यामि महिम तस्माद उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धम कुरु निश्चय. मीन्स लॉर्ड कृष्णा हियर अथवा प्राप्तस्य स्वर्गम चित्वा भोक्ष्यामि महिम तस्माद उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धम कुरु निश्चय. If you get a defeation in this war, then you will get a heavenly planet, the planet of demigod. And if you conquer this battlefield, then you will have a heavenly planet of Kurus. कौरव का राज्य मिलेगा. So that's why you have to perform your prescribed duty. That's why you have to perform. That's why you have to stand up and also fight this warfare. अथवा प्राप्तस्य स्वर्गम जित्वा भोक्ष्यामि महिम तस्माद उत्तिष्ठ कौन्तेय युद्धम कुरु निश्चय. तो हमारे चाहे रिलेटिव क्यों ना हो, बिलव्ड क्यों, अपनी वाइफ क्यों ना हो, अपने बच्चे क्यों ना हो, when there is a dharma we have to raise our voice, we have to fight against all the people. एक लोग आपको गाली देके जाते हैं, उसका मतलब ये नहीं कि सामने आपको उनको रिप्लाई नहीं करना है. You have to reply. You have to reply. Otherwise, that people will definitely take your moan. If you are not speaking anything, then your moan will definitely become your weakness, and these people will definitely take as it granted. और granted ले लेंगे ना. इसलिए you have to fight this warfare. You have to raise your voice against your beloved people. यशन्ति भक्तिरा भाग्यते अकंचिता सर्वरि गुणस्य तत्र समस्त सुरः हारव अभिकतस्य कुंतो महद गुणाः मनोरहन्तासि दत्वो बहिः. Here in Bhagavad Gita, verse number 18 to 12, one who has unflinching devotion for the personality of Godhead has all the good qualities of demigod. जिन लोगों ने लॉर्ड कृष्णा को सरेंडर कर दिया है ना, उनके लिए कुछ जीवन में करने का आवश्यक नहीं है. चाहे वो गाली भी किसी को देते, किसी को मार भी क्यों ना देते, लॉर्ड कृष्णा हैज पनिश दैट पर्सन ऑन बिहाफ ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. लॉर्ड कृष्णा केम इन फॉर्म ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर पर्सन. लॉर्ड कृष्णा उनके रूप में आ जाते हैं उन लोगों को पनिश करने के लिए. और लोग लॉर्ड कृष्णा कहते हैं ना, जो लोग जिस लैंग्वेज में समझते हैं उनको उसी की भाषा में जवाब देना आवश्यक हो जाता है. वी हैव टू टीच अ लेसन ऑफ दोज पीपल इन देयर ओन लैंग्वेज. अदरवाइज वो लोग समझेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज वो लोग मूर्ख लोग हैं. दिस ऑल पीपल आर वेरी स्टूपिड पीपल. दिस पीपल विल नेवर अंडरस्टैंड. वन हु हैज अनफ्लिचिंग डिवोशन, इफ माय डिवोशन इज वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग, if I am true devotee of Lord Krishna, my devotion is unflinching, then I become a Lord Krishna. I will have all the such a quality what Lord Krishna, because with the grace of Lord Krishna will definitely give all the godly quality in the particular devotee. Lord Krishna here said, "Samoham sarva bhutesu nami dvesanti nami priyah yo bhajanti tu mama bhaktani mahite tesu chapya." Samoham sarva bhutesu, समूहम सर्वभूतेषु नमि द्वेषन्ति नमि प्रियः यो भजन्ति तो मम भक्तानि महिते तेषु चाप्य. I am equal to everyone. I am neither envy nor partial with anyone. Anyone who has rendered his service in my devotion, that particular person is very dear to me, particular devotee is very dear to me, and I can leave my anything for my devotee. एक बार मुझे मतलब कुछ अर्पण करके तो देखो, और कंडीशन वही होनी चाहिए, प्यार, डिवोशन एंड समर्पण से. If you surrender unto me, then I will definitely strip deliver you from the ocean of the birth and death. Strip deliverer from the ocean of the birth and death. The Lord Krishna stated. So Lord Krishna here stated, सर्व धर्मान परित्यजन्ते मामे एकम शरणम वज्रः अहम तम सर्व पापेभ्यो मोक्षयिष्यामि मा शुलः. सभी धर्मों का त्याग करके मेरी शरण में आ जाओ ना पार्थ, तुम्हें तुम्हारे सारे पापों से मुक्त कर दूंगा और तुम्हें मोक्ष दिला दूंगा. पार्थ मेरी शरण में आ जाओ ना, मेरी शरण में आ जाओ पार्थ, मेरी शरण में. तुम्हें कहीं जाने की जरूरत है ही नहीं. मीराबाई के कोई स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर थे? नहीं थे. नरसिंह मेहता के स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर थे? नहीं थे. सो वी डोंट नीड एनी स्पिरिचुअल मास्टर. वी आर ओनली सेल्फ लर्नर. If we surrender unto Lord Krishna, then Lord Krishna will definitely give all the good qualities and all kind of direction by which we can approach to Lord Krishna. So this is 28th verse of chapter number 1, and I have tried to make all of you understand with a realistic example. Whenever our beloved people, whatever adverse circumstances would be there, we don't have to leave our duty. We don't have to give up our duty. If our duty is to fight and kill the people, then we have to do for the sake of the society, for the sake of the welfare of the people. We have to do this particular thing. So this is the 28th verse, chapter number 1 of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. I hope you all can understand. If you are having any questions, any doubt, then please kindly put a comment. Thank you so much. Hare Krishna, Radhe Radhe.